To quantum statics. Origin of quantum theory. Toward the end of 19th century, scientists were able to explain almost all of the known phenomena known as the time with the help of the then known law of physics called classical theory. However, in the end of 19th and early 20th century, several experimental discoveries were made which could not be explained successfully with the help of the classical physics. Such phenomena discoveries were black body spectrum, photoelectric effect, emission of a spectral line, and X-ray structure of atom, Kaplan effect, in which there was an interaction between matter and radiation. In the process of explaining these phenomena, the quantum theory was original. This describe verify is stepwise manner as follow. By 1900 AD, scientists accept the fact that light has wave nature and that these wave are electromagnetic wave, EM wave, as predicted by Maxwell in 1869, and their existence verified experimentally by Hertz in 1884. With the help of this idea, physicists were able successfully explain the phenomena of reflection, straight line propagation, interference, diffraction, and polarization of light. In the year 1984, physicist Halbach observed that when the ultraviolet light falls on a metal surface charged particle, later identified as electron, as emitted from it. The phenomenon is called photoelectric effect. The phenomenon was studied in details. A device based on it were made, but till 1905 it could not be explained on the basis of classical theory. Other explained phenomena were emission of spectral line and black body radiation. In 1980, famous physicist Max Planck made a proposition regarding interaction of matter and radiation to explain black body spectrum. He assumed that the radiation is emitted are absorbed by matter in the form of picking packets of energy called quanta, and not in the continuous manner as through earlier. Each packet has been defined amount of energy for frequency v. The energy of the packet epsilon is equal to hv, where h is the Planck constant, a universe constant, h is equal to 6.6 joule per second. Dimension of energy good time angular momentum according to Planck's. These packs of energy quantas are produced by atomic oscillation presence in matter, and these oscillator passes energy as integral multiple hv 0, hv, 2hv, 3hv. This was the first quantum idea. In 1905 AD, scientists picked up Planck's ideas of quantum nature of the radiation and successfully explained the phenomena of photoelectric effect, for which Einstein was awarded Nobel Prize in 1924. In 1907 AD, again used Planck quantum idea and for the time successfully explained variation in the specific heat or solid with temperature. However, the explanation was not satisfactory. In the low temperature range, Einstein assumed that the matter consisted of three-dimensional oscillator having emerging in integral multiples of hv of frequency v. Using statistical methods, he determined the average energy of an oscillator and form is obtained expression for specific heat of solid. The expression explains variation of atomic heat in large temperature range but fails at low temperature. Later dB improved upon this theory and successfully explained the variation of specific heat of solid in low temperature region also. In 1911 AD, and Bohr in an attempt to explain the structure of the atom and the original time spectrum from atom improved upon Rutherford nuclear atom model for the stability of the atom. Bohr and assumed that only those electron orbits are stable in which their angular momentum in m integral multiplier of h by 2 pi. This means that in an atom the electron possesses only discrete energy state. Bohr's also assume that when electron jumped for an orbit of higher energy to one of lower energy, the difference of the energy is emitted out of photon del E equal to hv. Reverse happens when a photon is observed. In 1911, A.D. Franks and Hertz through their experimental investigation found that matter does not absorb photon of all energies, only photon of some discrete energy, and observed classical theory suggested absorption of light or frequencies. In 1923, H. Compton in X-ray scattering experiment found that when a monochromatic beam of X-ray is scattered from a metal, the scattered beam consists of two components, the unmodified wavelength and दूसरा a modified wavelength. The change wavelength in always longer than the incident wavelength, and that the change in wavelength depends only upon the angle of scattering, and in same for all metals all wavelength. The phenomena is called Compton effect. Classical theory of does not explain this shift in wavelength. Is scattering in could be explained on the basis of quantum nature of radiation, and also assuming a momentum p equal to h by lambda to the photons. Assuming that the photons is scattering follow the same law as the particle do in Newton's mechanics. In 1924, Louis de Broglie proposed the hypothesis of matter. According to this hypothesis, a wave is associated with all moving matter particle. In the momentum of particle is p equal to mv. The wavelength of associated matter wave will be lambda equal to h by p equal to h bata mv. The hypothesis was later verified through experiment on Denson and German and G.B. Thomson on electron scattering. Later, the electron microscope was constructed on the basis of hypothesis. Matter wave are of one very small wavelength, and their effect cannot be experienced in daily life. For example, in the 10-gram bullet is fired at a speed of 100 meters per second from a gun, associated wavelength would be लैम्डा इक्वल टू एच बटा के एम भी इक्वल टू 6.6 गुणे 10 माइनस 34 जूल प्रति सेकंड बटा के जूल सेकंड बटा के 10 गुणे 10 माइनस 3 kg 100 मीटर प्रति सेकंड इक्वल टू 6.6 गुणे 10 माइनस 34 मीटर. The wavelength is so small that the phenomena of interference of diffraction etc. cannot be observed. The bullet will therefore behave as a particle. On the other hand, for electrons moving with velocity 10⁶ meter प्रति second, associated matter waves will have a wavelength also called the Broglie wavelength. लैम्डा इक्वल टू एच बटा के एम भी इक्वल टू 6.6 गुणे 10 माइनस 34 जूल सेकंड बटा के 9.1 गुणे 10 माइनस 31 kg गुणे 1 गुणे 10⁶ मीटर प्रति सेकंड इक्वल टू 7.75 गुणे 7.25 गुणे 10 माइनस 10 मीटर. This of the order of wavelength of X-ray, therefore its wave property can be observed. Thus matter process in dual nature. In 1926, Staudinger formula wave mechanics, he suggested that a particle can be represented by a single wave because a particle is highly levelized while a wave extends to infinity. The particle must be represented by a group of waves of nearly equal wavelength. Thus, a particle is equivalent to a wave packets. The velocity of these packets is equal to the velocity of particle. Staudinger assumed that the amplitude of wave at any point represented the probability of existence of the particle at that point. If at a point the amplitude of the wave is almost zero, the probability of finding it there will be extremely small. On the other hand, the probability of finding the particle is maximum where the amplitude of the guide wave is maximum. The amplitude of guide wave is finite within the packets of and is almost zero. Outside it, the wave packets and the guides wave exhibit all the properties of particle. The guides wave is represented psi suffix में x, t a function of position and time and the velocity psi of x, t और इसका represented the probability of existence of particle on the basis of wave nature of material particle. Heisenberg in 1927 present the principle of uncertainty. According to this principle, for a moving micromaterial particle, it is not possible to measure accurately both the position and momentum at a time simultaneously. According to wave theory, the particle must exist somewhere within the wave packets. The position of the particle is uncertain at the same times as the packet moves with group velocity. There is some uncertainty in the velocity and hence momentum. According to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, the produce of uncertainties in the simultaneous measurement of position and momentum is of order h equal to h beta के 2 pi. Thus, if the simultaneous measurement uncertainty in position in del x and that is momentum in del p, then del x into del p x is equal to h beta के 2 pi. The same is true for the other pair of quantities, energy and time, and angular momentum and angular displacement h as the natural constant. In the brief description of origin of quantum theory, we have seen that for the phenomena which could not be explained by there no classical theory, their explanation needed help of quantum idea. This involved the quantity h somewhere or the other. Thus, quantity has the dimension of energy × time or momentum × distance or angular momentum. Its value of was taken as h equal to 6.602 × 10⁻⁴ joule second. Now a universal constant in the quantum theory, h appear as the natural constant. While studying the property of the system through statistical thermodynamics, we have to divide the phase space into a number of tiny phase cells of equal volume. Each cell represented one state of the system. The particles are distributed in these cells according to the constant given for system. Then we find the distribution function and also the probability of the finding a molecules in the given cell or energy state. The distribution corresponding to maximum probability gives the microscopic property of the system. The size of cell is chosen as HQ, and where h has the dimension of momentum × distance. Smaller the size of the cell, more accurate will be the description of the system. In other words, by taking the value of h naught as small as possible, behavior of the system can be described with greater accuracy. In the classical theory, there is no restriction of the size h naught and we can choose its any desired small value. Also, there is no restriction on the number of particles in cell. But when the system is studied of the basis of quantum theory, the value of h naught can be arbitrarily. Heisenberg principle of the uncertainty restricting smallness of size. According to uncertainty principle, a simultaneous measurement of the both position of and momentum of particle cannot be done. Accuracy for microscopic particle in accuracy or error in measurement of position in del x, and accuracy or error in measurement of momentum in del p. Then according to Heisenberg principle of uncertainty, del x into del p is greater than h. Question h बराबर h बटा 2. This measured taking the cell dimension, then h will be meaningless because if h is not is less than h, this will impurity that the measurement are possible with more accuracy than the limit set by quantum theory. This will be a gross violation of the rules. Therefore, h appears as a natural constant in study of quantum statistical system. Implication: particle in a one-dimensional box. Let a particle of m be situated inside a one-dimensional box of length L. Let x-axis be chosen along the length of box and origin at one In thus the particle will be free to execute motion along x-axis from 0 to L. Then also let there be no field acting on the particle inside the box. V, the particle is totally free and potential same everywhere. To V classical, the particles is free to execute motion with any velocity between the ends of the box from 0 to L. In the other world, particle can be every energy from 0 to infinity in continuous manner. Also, the phase space can be divided into cell of any arbitrary size and discussed in previous study. Now, according to the quantum theory, a guiding wave called de Broglie wave will be associated with the material particle. The wave will be reflected from the boundaries of the box, and superposition of incident and reflected wave will produce standing wave. Obviously, all the frequency or wavelength are not permissible. Only those wavelength can exist in the box for which the length of box is an integer multiplier of lambda by 2. Ends being read node will be formed at the two ends, and other nodes and antinodes are formed by between L equal to n lambda by 2 equal to n equal to 0, 1, 2 dot 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 n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4. This means all the value of not possible of energy of particle. Only discrete value of energy satisfy above condition are possible. The energy value of obtained as equal to n square h square बटा के 8 ml square, where h is Planck constant. Thus the possible value of energy are equal to 0, h square minus h square बटा के 8 ml square, 4 h square बटा के 8 ml square, 9 h square बटा के 8 ml square. The plot of energy volume is shown in figure 1. The energy level are not equidistanced one-dimensional harmonic oscillator. When a particle executed to stand for motion along a straight line under influence of central force, it is called a one-dimensional oscillator. If the restoring force is directly proportional to the displacement of the particle for arm, it means position and directed toward its motion is simple harmonic motion. SHM in the displacement of the particle from means position in x. Force acting on it is F is equal to minus kx, where k is called restoring force constant and its positive nature. Classically, the equation of motion of the particle m is equal to d2x बटा dx square is equal to minus kx. It can be written as d2x बटा dt square is equal to minus omega square x, where omega is equal to under root में h बटा के m, and it called the angular frequency of particle. The frequency of motion v is equal to w बटा के 2 pi where w is equal to under root में k बटा के m, and it's called the angular frequency of the particle. The frequency of motion v is equal to w बटा 2 pi is equal to 1/2 pi under root में k बटा के m. According to classical theory of energy, a particle will be equal to 1/2 m omega square a square, where a is the amplitude of the particle of motion. As there is no restriction of amplitude of motion, all continuous value of energy are possible at the equilibrium position. Entire energy is kinetic in nature, while at the extremities of motion it is entirely potential in nature. At all other position it is partly kinetic of partly potential, but their sums is always constant. But according to quantum mechanics theory, is a simple oscillator can have only discrete energy given by E equal to n plus 1 by 2 hv, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and integer h Planck constant. Thus the possible value of the energy is equal to 1/2 hv is equal to 3/2 hv, 5/2 hv. Yeah, 1 n is equal to 0, n is equal to n is equal to 1/2 hv is equal to 3/2 hv is equal to 5/2 hv is equal to 7/2 hv, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2 are integer h constant. Thus the possible value of energy is equal to 1/2 hv, 3/2 hv, 5/2 hv. The total level energy of a harmonic oscillator is shown in figure 2. The energy level are equidenced the minimum possible energy of oscillator is 1/2 hv, where h classically it should be 0. The minimum energy of harmonic oscillator is called 0 point energy. This has been verified experimental and it's totally in accordance in Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Type of particle. The most probable distribution of a particle, its various energy state determined using three statics. पहला मैक्सवेल बोल्टमान स्टैटिकल और क्लासिकल स्टैटिक, दूसरा बोल्ट आइंस्टीन स्टैटिक, तीसरा फर्मी डिराक स्टैटिक, क्वांटम स्टैटिक. The application of these statics depends upon the type of particle. The particle is the system are two types. Disguisable particle, these are alike or dissimilar particle which can be disguised from each other. These can be disguised by giving them number, and there is no consideration of spin of these particles. There is no string of the number of in any cells in the phase space or in any energy level. The molecules of gas are typically example such particle. These particles follow Maxwell-Boltzmann static. Indisguisable particles these are like particles which cannot be disguised from one another. Therefore, they cannot be disguised by any names or number. These particles do not follow the classical mechanics and the quantum statics is applicable on them. These particles are two types. Boson particle with zero or integral spin. For this kind of disintegrable particle, their spin angular momentum is an integral multiples including 0 of h/2 pi, where h is Planck constant. In the simple language, we say that their spin is 0 or integral. These particles are called the boson after the name of famous Indian scientist S.N. Bose, who stabilized the quantum scientist. For them known as Bose-Einstein statics, these particles do not follow Pauli exclusion principle. Then is no string to the number of particles in any assembled state. Any number of particle can exist a phase cell. The phase cell have a minimum fixed dimension of h0. The Planck constant, phonons and alpha particle are typically example of boson. B. Fermions particle with half odd integral speed. For the kind of inducible particles, their spin angular momentum is half odd integral 1/2, 3/2, 5/2 ... multiplied of h/2 pi. Simply, we say that the particle have half odd integral spin. These particles follow the Pauli exclusion principle. None more than one particle can exist in the same energy state or phase cell. Electrons, protons, neutron, etc. are typical example of the particle. These particles are called fermions in the honors of scientist Fermi, who first realized the Fermi-Dirac statics to study their distribution in system. Consequence, the force statics. The solid, liquid or gases are such systems which have a very large number of particles, molecules, even in small volume. Due to their large number, it is very difficult, rather impossible task to study the dynamical state and mutual interaction of individual molecules. For study of such cases, we take the help of statistical method. The microscopic property like pressure, temperature, energy, density, velocity, etc. For this system is studied in the term of the most probable value. Using statistical method, we can determine the distribution of the particles of the system is various assembled state and what is their most probable state. The most probable stage in the equilibrium state of the system and various property of the system are deduced in this stage. The classical statistics, also known as the Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, are developed by Maxwell and Boltzmann to explain the properties of the gaseous system. This statistics fails to explain the properties of black body radiation. In the year 1924, Bosch developed a statistics based upon the quantum law of displacement of black body radiation spectrum and deduced Planck's law of radiation from it. The radiance of treated as particle with zero integral spin. The same year, Einstein applied a similar theory based upon the law of statistics and the quantum theory of the gas molecule. Thus involved the Bohr scientists in the year 1926. Fermi and later Dirac modified BE theory to the applied it the atomic of the distribution of electron in the them with the inclusion of Pauli exclusion principle. This gave birth to other quantum statistics as known as Fermi-Dirac statistics. Diffraction between the three statistics. The diffraction between the three statistics can be easily understood by following example. Suppose in a system where there are only two particles which are disturbed in only two cells according to each of above statistics. In the classical or Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics of the particle are unlike are distinguishable. They have their separate identity. Due to this reason, let the two particles be designated by the letter A and B according to Embiid statistics are accessible for each cells is equal. The particle can go into any of two cells with equal to probability, and there is no restriction as to the number of particles in the cell. Both particles can occupy same cell. Therefore, according to Embiid statistics, there are four possible distribution of the two particles in the two cells as shown in figure 3a. These distribution are AB, 0, A, B, B, D, A, and O, AB. Thus, there are three microstates 2, 0, J1, 1, and 0, 2 are four microstates corresponding to the classical distribution. The Bose-Einstein statistics of the particle are indistinguishable and lose their identity. Therefore, they can be numbered of designate. We show them point are small dark circle in the figure 3b. According to Bose-Einstein statistics, the cell are assembled with the equal probability, and also there is no restriction of the number of particles occupy the cell. Therefore, according to Bose-Einstein statistics, the possible distribution are 0, 2, 2, 0, 1, and 0, 2, and only three microstates, one corresponding to each of the microstates, are possible. This distribution is shown in figure 3b. In the Fermi-Dirac statistics also, the particles do not have identity of their own and cannot be distinguished from one another like particles. Therefore, in the figure these are represented by dots or small dark circle. But in the Fermi-Dirac statistics, the particle follow the Pauli inclusion principle. According to this principle, there cannot be more than one principle in a phase cell or energy state. When both then conditions are applied as shown in figure 3c, there can be only one possible microstate 1, 1 when the number of the cell is very large and the number of particles to be disturbed in them is comparatively small. The three statistics do not provide much different result, as the probability of more than one particle reaching a cell is small, but when the number of cells and the number of particles to be distributed in them becomes comparable, the three statistics produce widely different result. More probable microstate. In all the three statistics, Boltzmann, MB, Bose-Einstein, B, and Fermi-Dirac, FD statistics, various energy states having the same energy volume are grouped together. and then particles are distributed in them. We shall be using the following system symbols in our future discussion. Epsilon I is equal to energy of the ith group. Epsilon G suffix में I is equal to the group, the number of the possible energy state, the number of cells in the ith group. This is also called the degenerity of the group. N suffix में I is equal to number of the particle in the nth group. N is equal to total number of the particles in the system. If the number of particles in a group N suffix में I is the fixed microstate of the system becomes fixed, but since many energy level or cells are possible in that group, each distribution of N suffix में I particles is the G suffix में I cells produce a microstate. Therefore, corresponding to each micro states there are a number of microstates. These number are spread by ohm. The number of waves was obtaining the given microstate. This is also called the thermodynamic probability of the microstate. The value of ohms is obtained different in the three statics. The value of ohm becomes maximum in the equilibrium state. Thus, the most probable state is also most observable state. The result is the three statics are different as explained below. Suppose in a system there are two groups I and J of energy. In the group of I there are three quantum states, while in the group of J there are two quantum states. G suffix में I equal to 3, G suffix में J equal to 2. Let's the total number of particles in the system N is equal to 3. Suppose we are to consider a microstate in which there is one particle in the group I and two particles in the group J. N suffix में I is equal to 1, N suffix में J is equal to 2. Case first, particle distributable. Suppose the particles are distributable and are to be disturbed according to the MB statics. For convenience, let the three particles be designed as A, B, C. In the statics, there will be no restriction on the number of particles occupying a cell. It can be seen that in the all Chowan arrangement are possible corresponding to the given micro distribution. 1/3 of the Chowan arrangement 18 arrangement are shown in figure 4a. 36 more than arrangement are also possible. This is the result of MB statics. Group 1, group first, group 2. Case 2, particle indistinguishable. If the given particle are indistinguishable and also there is no restriction on the number of the particle occupy a cell, it can be seen that total possible microstate 12 यही है. Group 2 G2 इक्वल टू 2, group 1 group 3 इक्वल टू group I इक्वल टू 3, 5 4 3 2 1 लेवल 1 यही है. Only 12 different arrangement of the possible corresponding to the given microstate. N suffix में I equal to 1 and N suffix में J equal to 2. The distribution or arrangement are shown in figure 4b, where the particles are shown by the small dark circle because they are identical and indistinguishable. This is the distribution according to Bose-Einstein statics. Case 2, particle indistinguishable. If the result given particle are indistinguishable and also there is a restriction on the number of particles occupy a cell, there can be more than one particle in the cell. The restriction in the FD statics. Under these conditions, the number of possible wave of distribution of 6 only. These are shown in figure 4c, where due to indistinguishability the particle have been shown by small dark circle in the result of Fermi-Dirac distribution. Group 2 is equal to 2, group 1 is equal to group I is equal to 1. Total possible microstates 6. The above hypothesis distribution of three particles in two groups explains clearly the difference in the result of MB, BE, FD statics. The number of microstates corresponding to the given distribution of the three statics can be calculated using the formula ohm suffix MB is equal to n factorial पाई सबसे आई जी सबसे आई कहते हैं NI बटा के NI फैक्टोरियल MB स्टैटिक ओम BE इक्वल टू पाई सबसे आई N प्लस जी सबसे आई -1 फैक्टोरियल बटा के N सबसे आई फैक्टोरियल जी सबसे आई -1 फैक्टोरियल BE स्टैटिक ओम FD इक्वल टू पाई सबसे आई जी सबसे आई फैक्टोरियल बटा के N सबसे आई फैक्टोरियल जी सबसे आई माइनस N सबसे आई फैक्टोरियल FD स्टैटिक्स where pi represent the multiplication in the above example n equal to 3 n subscript I equal to 2 n subscript I equal to 1 g subscript I equal to 3 and g subscript j equal to 2 according to MB statics ओम equal to 3 factorial 3 square बटा के 2 factorial into 2 के खाते n बटा के 1 factorial equal 54 according to both science static BE statics ओम equal to 2 plus 3 minus 1 factorial क्वेश्चन में दूसरा क्वेश्चन 1 plus 2 minus 1 factorial बटा के 2 factorial क्वेश्चन में 3 minus 1 factorial 1 factorial into 2 minus 1 factorial equal to 4 factorial बटा के 2 factorial into 2 factorial 2 factorial बटा के 1 factorial into 12 according to FD statics ओम equal to 3 factorial बटा के 2 factorial क्वेश्चन में 3 minus 2 का factorial into 2 factorial बटा के 1 factorial into 2 minus 1 का factorial equal to 3 factorial बटा के 2 factorial into 1 factorial into 2 factorial बटा के 1 factorial 6 The condition of maximum probability state d ओम बटा d n sufficient I equal to 0. The additional condition are constancy of the total energy and the total number of particle is summation n sufficient I equal to बड़का n constant summation n sufficient I epsilon sufficient I equal to e constant समीकरण नंबर 6. The needs of quantum statics, the distribution of the energy of velocity the molecules can be very accurately explained with the help of classical of Maxwell-Boltzmann statics, but it failed to explain a number phenomena such as distribution of energy in the black body, radiation, photons, gas, or the distribution but of the electrons in various energy states in the metal etc. According to the electronic theory of matter, we know that the metals contain free electrons. These free electrons behave like the molecules of gas. They execute a random motion due to the thermal state. In this motion, they collide with each other. Ions and the boundaries of the metals, they move in the all possible direction with the all possible velocity. However, they do not come out of the metal boundary. This aggregation of free electron in the metal is termed as electron gases. When classical or Maxwell-Boltzmann statics is applied of this electron, it fails to explain the observed phenomena. Similarly, the radiation enclosed in halo isothermal enclosure and black body radiation corresponding to that temperature, it is assumed that the radiation constant of particles called photon, the energy of photons of frequency v and is hv, where h is Planck constant. In the enclosure, the photons behave like the molecules of gas. They collide with the walls of the container and execute random motion. In the classical or Maxwell-Boltzmann statics is applied to the photon gas, the energy per unit range of frequency should be increased with the increasing in the frequency, but this does not agree with the observed energy distribution in the black body radiation. The distribution of energy of follow Planck radiation law. Choice of the cell dimension in phase space. In the classical mechanics, there is no restriction of the size of cell. The cell may be chosen arbitrarily small for the given value of phase space. We can increasing or decreasing the number of the cells to the desired value. If the number of the cell becomes very large, the accumulation number of ith cell is less than 1. The possible of 2 or more particles occupy a cell becomes too small, and we may assume that there is almost one particle in each cell and applying classical statistics to it, but we know that the natural system do follow the principle of uncertainty. Therefore, a cell is the phase space cannot be chosen arbitrarily small. The dimension of the cell cannot be chosen smaller than h, where h is the Planck constant. In that case, the value of g sub I will becomes finite, and also occupation number g sub I cannot be made arbitrarily small. In the case of the particles cannot be treated as unlike and indistinguishable, and therefore Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics cannot be applied on them. Thus, H becomes a natural choice of dimension of unit cells in quantum statistics. In an attempt to resolve all these difficulties, the quantum statistics was originated Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics. This statistics is applicable to unlike and disguised particles like gas molecules. Consider a system like an ideal gas is vessel of volume V containing a very large number n of distinguishable particle molecules. Due to the thermal state the system, these particles execute random motion in which they collide with each other and with the walls of container. These collisions are elastic, but in each collision the number, the energy and momentum of the particle change. The particle moves in all possible direction with the all possible velocity. According to the classical theory, the variation in the moment and energy or particle is continuous, but the total energy of the system remains constant. In the MB statistics, find the most probable distribution of these particles. In the statistics, we divided the energy of particle in smaller interval or groups, epsilon 1, epsilon 2, epsilon 3, epsilon etc. They let the number of particles in this group be n1, n2, n3, etc. Since the total number of particles as well the total energy of system is constant, we have summation I n sub I equal to n1 plus n1 plus n2 plus n3 n sub I plus n is equal to constant 1 summation I epsilon sub I n sub I equal to n1 epsilon 1 plus n2 epsilon 2 plus n3 epsilon 2 plus n sub I epsilon sub I plus it E is equal to 2. Now each energy groups is further divided into number of small cells. In the Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, there is no restriction on the size of cells. Let the number of such cells in the ith group and be G sub I, then G sub I is the said to be degree of the ith energy having epsilon 1. Since the particles are indistinguishable and there is no restriction on the number of particles in the cell, therefore n sub I particle can be distributed in the G sub I cell in G sub I घाते n sub I way, because any of the n sub I particle can be occurrence energy epsilon sub I and occupy G sub I cells in G sub I wave. Therefore, for the n sub I particles there are G sub I wave for each particle has hence the total number of wave in which n sub I particle can be distributed in G sub I cells in G sub I गुणे G sub I गुणे G sub I n sub I times is equal to G sub I घाते n sub I, but from the total number of particle n and the n sub I particle are ith energy state can be chosen in n sub I wave. Therefore, number of waves for the first group is equal to n c sub n1 गुणे g1 घाते n1 is equal to n factorial बटा के n factorial क्वेश्चन में n minus n1 factorial गुणे g1 घाते n1. Now the second group n2 particle have to chosen from the remaining n minus n1 particles. Therefore, number of waves second group n minus n1 c n2 गुणे g2 घाते n2 is equal to n minus n1 factorial बटा के n2 factorial into n minus n1 minus n2 factorial गुणे g2 घाते n2. Therefore, the total number of wave distribution n1, n2, n3 particle is energy group epsilon 1, epsilon 2, epsilon 3 The thermodynamic probability of distribution is ohm is equal to n factorial क्वेश्चन में g1 कहते n1 factorial बटा के n1 factorial क्वेश्चन में n minus n1 factorial गुणे n minus n1 factorial g2 n2 factorial बटा के n2 factorial क्वेश्चन में n minus n1 minus n2 factorial गुणे is equal to n1 into g1 कहते n1 into g2 कहते n2 into g3 घटे n3 जी सब I घाते n I बटा के n फैक्टोरियल इंटू n2 फैक्टोरियल इंटू n3 फैक्टोरियल n सब I फैक्टोरियल ओम इक्वल टू n फैक्टोरियल पाई I जी सब I घाते n सब I बटा के n सब I फैक्टोरियल. टेकिंग लोगरिथमिक log e ओम इक्वल टू log e n फैक्टोरियल प्लस log समेशन I log e gi n I माइनस log e n I फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू log बेस ई n फैक्टोरियल प्लस log समेशन आई क्वेश्चन में n i log बेस ई जी आई माइनस ई n i यूजिंग स्टर्लिंग फार्मूला log बेस ई x फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू x log ई x माइनस x वी गेट log ई ओमेगा इक्वल टू n log बेस ई n माइनस n प्लस समेशन आई क्वेश्चन में n i log ई जी आई माइनस n i log ई n i माइनस n i इक्वल टू n log बेस ई n प्लस समेशन आई क्वेश्चन में n सफिक्स में आई log ई जी आई माइनस n i log ई n i चूंकि समेशन n i इक्वल टू n 5 since n and gi are constant on differentiating above equation we get d log base e ohm equal to summation I क्वेश्चन में d n i log e gi माइनस d n i log e base n i माइनस n i बटा के 1 बटा के n i d n i इक्वल टू समेशन I क्वेश्चन में log base e gi माइनस log base e n i क्वेश्चन में d n i माइनस समेशन I d n i समेशन d n i इक्वल टू 0 इक्वल टू समेशन I log बेस ई जी आई माइनस log ई एन आई डी एन आई इक्वल टू समेशन आई log जी आई बटा के एन आई डी एन आई मैक्सिमम प्रॉब्लम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन द कंडीशन ऑफ मोस्ट प्रोबेबल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज ओम डी ओम इक्वल टू 0 डी क्वेश्चन में log बेस ई ओम इक्वल टू 0 यूजिंग इक्वेशन 6 भी है डी क्वेश्चन में समेशन आई log बेस ई जी आई बटा के एन आई क्वेश्चन गुड़े एन आई इक्वल टू 0 समेशन आई log बेस ई जी आई बटा के एन आई डी एन आई इक्वल टू 0 The two additional conditions of improved by fact of the total number of particles and total energy of the system are constant. Thus from equation 1 and 2 we have summation I dni equal to 0 summation I epsilon I dni equal to 0. To apply the Lagrange methods of the undermined multipliers equation 9 by minus log a equation 10 by minus beta and add to equation 8 10 summation I log इसमें e g i बटा के n i minus log base e a minus beta epsilon I dni equal to 0 since dni are variable equation and are not necessarily 0 in order that the equation may be true the coefficient of each d suffix में ni should be 0 separately log base e gi बटा के ni minus log base e a minus beta epsilon I equal to 0 log base e gi बटा के a ni equal to beta epsilon I gi बटा के a ni suffix में equal to e के खाते minus beta epsilon I ni equal to gi बटा के a e के खाते minus beta a के खाते beta epsilon I. This is the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. Here the constant a and beta are deduced with using boundary condition. Sometimes we write a equal to e खाते alpha where alpha is the another constant, then ni equal to gi बटा के e खाते alpha plus beta epsilon I. This is for Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law and using many applications. It can be proved that if the temperature or system is Tk, then beta equal to 1 by kT, where T is Boltzmann constant, then n suffix में equal to g suffix में बटा के e घाते अल्फा into e घाते epsilon I बटा kT 15. In place having discrete value of energy or system has continuous value, then it in the energy range of epsilon to epsilon plus d epsilon, the density of state g suffix में I can be replaced by g of epsilon d epsilon and epsilon suffix में I by. In this case MB distribution law takes the form n of epsilon d epsilon is equal to g of epsilon d epsilon बटा के a e घाते beta I. 16 Bose-Einstein statistics. These statistics of many particle system are first proposed by Bose in 1924, who applied into photon gas. The same year it was modified by Einstein, who applied it gases. It is why this statistics is called the Bose-Einstein BE statistics. The statistics is applicable to the like or disguisable particle having spin 0 to r integral. These are called Boson assumption. The following are assumption of Bose-Einstein statistics. पहला, the particle of the system are all identical and disguisable. दूसरा, there can be any number of particles in any quantum state or phase cell. There is no restriction or the number of particles in cell. तीसरा, the sum of energy of the all particles in all quantum state is equal to the total energy of the system which remains constant. चौथा, the total number of phase cell is comparable to the number of particles in the system. The accumulation index is nearly unit. n suffix में बटा g suffix में equal to 1. पांचवा, the spin angular momentum of the particle is integral including 0 multiply of x बटा के 2 पाई. where h is constant, let the total number of particles in the system n. These particles are like and have integral spin. Every particle has a defined energy and momentum and can be represented by a point in the phase space to determine the maximum probable distribution. We divide available phase space into a large number of quantum group or energy level. These groups are further subdivided into phase cells of the volume h. The number of phase cell G sub I is the energy level epsilon sub I represented the degeneracy or statistical weightage. Here the assumes that the number of cell is comparable to the number of particle and is very large. Let the degeneracy of the cell level epsilon 1, epsilon 2, epsilon 3 etc. be G sub I, G1, G2, G3 etc. and let the number of particles is be n1, n2, n3 thus the total number of particles n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n sub I plus summation of n sub I is equal to n constant 1 and the total number of energy n1 epsilon 1 plus n2 epsilon 2 plus n3 epsilon 2 plus n sub I epsilon sub I plus is equal to summation ni epsilon I is equal to E constant 2. Now consider the ith energy level having energy epsilon sub I with degeneracy G sub I having n sub I particle. In it the first we try to find how these n sub I particles are distributed in G sub I cell. The first cell can be chosen in G sub I wave. Now the remaining cell are G sub I minus 1 and the with n sub I particle there are n sub I plus G sub I minus 1 element which can be arranged in n sub I plus G sub I minus 1 factorial wave. Thus the total number of arrangement will be G sub I question n sub I plus G sub I minus 1 factorial, but all the particles are identical, therefore their rearrangement among themselves, their permutation n sub I factorial will be meaningless. Similarly, permutation of G sub I cell G sub I factorial will be also meaningless. Therefore, the number of meaningful wave in which n sub I particle can be arranged in G sub I cell in Om sub I is equal to G sub I question n sub I plus G sub I minus 1 factorial but n I factorial into Gi factorial. Om sub I is equal to ni plus Gi minus 1 factorial but n factorial ni factorial G sub I minus 1 factorial. Similarly, expression will be obtained from the energy group also. There the total number of wave in which n particle can be arranged in various energy level is Om is equal to Om 1 गुड़े Om 2 plus Om 3 गुड़े डाटा Om sub I गुड़े डाटा is equal to n sub I plus G sub I minus 1 factorial बटा n I factorial क्वेश्चन में G sub I minus 1 factorial into n2 plus G2 minus 1 क्वेश्चन बंद factorial बटा n2 factorial क्वेश्चन में G2 minus 1 factorial गुड़े डाटा is equal to pi I n I plus Gi minus 1 factorial बटा n I factorial क्वेश्चन में Gi minus 1 factorial. इक्वेशन नंबर 4 when pi represent the multiplication of the term, this gives the thermodynamic probability of the given distribution. Since the number of n sub I and G sub I are very large, we can drop one comparison to them. Om is equal to pi sub I n I plus G sub I का factorial बटा के n I factorial G sub I factorial. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 most probable distribution taking logarithm of above equation we have log base E Om is equal to summation I log base E and question में n sub I plus G sub I factorial minus log base E question में n sub I factorial minus log base E G sub I factorial. Using Stirling formula log E base E x factorial is equal to x log base E x minus x we get log base E Om is equal to summation I n sub I plus G sub I log base E question में n sub I plus G sub I minus n sub I plus G sub I minus क्वेश्चन में n sub I log E n sub I minus n sub I minus क्वेश्चन में G sub I log base E G sub I minus G sub I equal to summation I क्वेश्चन में n sub I plus G sub I क्वेश्चन में log base E n I plus Gi minus n I log base E n I minus G sub I log base E G sub I 7 The number of the cell in stage G sub I remain constant will N sub I vary. Therefore on the difference equation 6 we have d log base E ohm is equal to summation I question में log base E question में G sub I plus N sub I question में D sub I N sub I plus question में N sub I plus G sub I 1 बटा के N sub I G sub I D N I E sub I minus log base E N sub I D N I D N sub I minus N sub I बटा 1 बटा के N I DNI is equal to summation I log base E N sub I plus G sub I minus log base E N sub I D N sub I D log base E ohm is equal to summation I log base E question में N sub I plus G sub I बटा के NI DNI. In the equilibrium state which is also most probable state the value of d omega and hence D question में log base E ohm is equal to 0 summation I log base E question में NI plus GI बटा NI question में DNI is equal to 0. There is two additional condition improved on the system. पहला the total number of particles in the system is constant summation I NI is equal to N constant summation I DNI is equal to 0. So total energy of the system is constant summation I NI summation epsilon I is equal to E is equal to constant summation I epsilon I DNI is equal to 0. The equation 9, 10 and 11 are independent of each other, but these satisfy simultaneously in the equilibrium state. To find the common solution, we use the Lagrange method of determine multiplying equation 10 by log A and equation 11 by minus beta and to this equation 9 10 summation I log base E question में Ni plus Gi बटा Ni minus log base E A minus beta I question 1 DNI is equal to 0. Here A and beta are known as constant to determine from the boundary of condition. Since the equation 12 D sub I D n sub I is a variable quantity and is not necessarily 0, in order this equation may be always satisfied, it is necessary that coefficient of D sub Ni should be separately 0. Log base E question में N sub I plus D sub I बटा के Ni minus log base E A minus beta epsilon sub I equal to 0. Log base E question में Ni plus Gi बटा के Ni equal to beta epsilon I Ni plus Gi बटा के Ni equal to E के हाथे minus beta epsilon I 1 plus G sub I बटा के N sub I equal to A E के हाथे beta epsilon sub I Gi बटा के Ni equal to A E के हाथे minus beta epsilon I minus 1 Ni equal to G के हाथे I Gi बटा के A E के हाथे minus beta E के हाथे beta I minus 1. This is called Bose-Einstein distribution law, which gives the number of particles in the ith quantum state. Boson follow this distribution law. Sometimes in equation 14 the constant A is written as A is equal to E के हाथे alpha, where alpha is the another constant. N sub I is equal to G sub I बटा के A E के हाथे alpha plus beta is sub I minus 1. Equation number 15. In many applications, the Bose-Einstein distribution law is used in the form if for the quantum states the difference in the energy level is small, very small, the distribution of quasi-continuous, then it is energy interval from epsilon to epsilon plus d epsilon. We can replace the degeneracy factor G sub I by G epsilon d epsilon, where G of epsilon is the density of the energy state, the number of the energy level per unit level of energy, then the number of particles is this energy interval is given by N of epsilon d epsilon is equal to G of epsilon d epsilon बटा के A E है तो beta E minus 1. It can be proved that beta is equal to 1 बटा के T, where K is Boltzmann constant and T is the absolute temperature of system. Example 1. Calculate the number of possible arrangement for the distribution of 8 indivisible particles in 5 cells is equal to solution N sub I ohm sub I equal to Ni plus Gi minus 1 बटा के N factorial G sub I minus 1 factorial G epsilon ohm sub I equal to 8 plus 5 minus 1 factorial बटा के 8 factorial 5 minus 1 factorial equal to 12 factorial बटा के 8 factorial 2 4 factorial 495. Example 2. For the distribution of two identical particles is 4 equally probable energy states. Calculate the number of possible arrangement according to Bose-Einstein. Ohm sub I is equal to Ni plus G sub I minus 1 factorial बटा के N sub I factorial question में G sub I minus 1 factorial given Ni is equal to 2 Gi is equal to 4 ohm sub I is equal to 2 plus 4 minus 1 factorial बटा के 2 factorial into 4 minus 1 फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू 5 फैक्टोरियल बटा 2 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 3 फैक्टोरियल इसको 10 फैक्टोरियल। एग्जाम्पल 3, 5 बोसान आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन 2 बॉक्सेस, देयर इज 3 सेल्स इन द फर्स्ट बॉक्स एंड 3 सेल्स इन द सेकेंड, कैलकुलेट द थर्मोडायनामिक प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द माइक्रो स्टेट। पहला 5,0, दूसरा 3,2 सॉल्यूशन गिव द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल यानी इक्वल टू 5, द नंबर ऑफ द सेल्स इन द फर्स्ट बॉक्स Gi इक्वल टू 3, नंबर ऑफ सेल्स इन सेकंड बॉक्स G2 इक्वल टू 4। अब ओम सफिक्स में आई इक्वल टू पाई सफिक्स में आई Ni प्लस Gi -1 फैक्टोरियल बटा के Ni फैक्टोरियल, क्वेश्चन में G सफिक्स में आई -1 फैक्टोरियल। फार डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ 5,0 N1 इक्वल टू 5 N2 इक्वल टू 0, ओम 5,0 इक्वल टू 5 प्लस 3 -1 फैक्टोरियल बटा के 5 फैक्टोरियल, 3 -1 का फैक्टोरियल गुणे 0 प्लस 4 -1 फैक्टोरियल बटा के 0 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 4 -1 फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू 7 फैक्टोरियल बटा के 5 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 2 फैक्टोरियल गुणे 3 फैक्टोरियल बटा के 0 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 3 फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू 7 गुणे 6 गुणे 1 बटा के 2 गुणे 1 इक्वल टू 21। फार द सेकेंड माइक्रो स्टेट 3,2 N1 इक्वल टू 3 N2 इक्वल टू 2 इन द थर्मोडायनामिक प्रोबेबिलिटी ओम 3,2 इक्वल टू 3 प्लस 3 -1 फैक्टोरियल बटा के 3 फैक्टोरियल, क्वेश्चन में 8 -1 का फैक्टोरियल गुणे 2 प्लस 4 -1 का फैक्टोरियल बटा के 2 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 4 -1 का फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू 5 फैक्टोरियल बटा के 3 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 2 फैक्टोरियल गुणे 5 फैक्टोरियल बटा के 2 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 3 फैक्टोरियल 5 गुणे 4 बटा के 2 गुणे 1 गुणे 5 गुणे 4 बटा के 2 गुणे 1 इक्वल टू 100। Fermi-Dirac statistics, this statistics is applicable to those indivisible or like particle which have half odd integral spin in the unit of 6 and also follow the Pauli exclusion principle. These particles are called fermions. The electrons, protons, etc. in the atoms system are example of these particles. The assumption of these statistics are as follow: the particles are like indivisible. दूसरा, the particle have half odd integer spin 1/2, 3/2 if the unit of h बटा 2 pi। तीसरा, the particle obey Pauli exclusion principle in any phase cells. There can be only one particle, therefore the degeneracy G sub में I of the energy level must be larger than the number of particle to distributed G sub में I greater than 1 Ni। चौथा, the total number of particle in system and their total energy remains constant. That there be n particle in the system, then the available volume of the phase space is divided into large number of quantum state of the energy level. Let these levels of mark as 1, 2, 3 I and let the energy corresponding to this level be epsilon 1, epsilon 2, epsilon 3 epsilon. Every state or groups in the phase space is further subdivided into cell of the volume HQ, where H is the Planck's constant. Let there be G sub I cell in the ith quantum state, then G sub I is called the degeneracy of that level. Here we assume that the number of cell G sub I is much larger than the number of particle in that state G sub I is greater than N sub I. Since the particle obey Pauli exclusion principle, so only one particles will go into one cells. Therefore, with N sub I particle out of G sub I cells, only N sub I cell will be filled up. The remaining G sub I minus N sub I cells will be vacant. The G sub I cell can be arranged in G sub I factorial, where to among themselves the N sub I factorial arrangement of the particle among themselves and G sub I minus N sub I factorial permutation of the vacant G sub I minus N sub I cell among themselves will also be meaningless. Therefore, the total number of wave in which N sub I particle can be arrangement in G sub I cell star G sub Om sub I equal to G sub I factorial बटा N sub I factorial into N sub I minus G sub I factorial G sub I C N sub I. Similar expression are obtained from the energy state. Therefore, the total number of wave in which N1, N2, N3 particle can be distributed in epsilon 1, epsilon 2, epsilon 3 energy level is Om equal to G1 factorial बटा N sub I factorial, क्वेश्चन में G1 minus N1 Ni factorial गुणे G2 factorial बटा N2 factorial, क्वेश्चन में G2 minus N2 factorial गुणे गुणे G sub I का होल factorial बटा N sub I factorial, क्वेश्चन में Ni minus Gi का factorial गुणे It can also understood as follow: the first particle can go into G sub I cell in G sub I wave, the second particle in G sub I minus 1 wave, third in G sub I minus 2 wave, and so on. The N sub I particle can go in G sub I minus N sub I plus 1 wave. The number of wave is G sub I गुणे G sub I minus 1 गुणे G sub I minus 2 G sub I minus N sub I plus 1. But the N1 mutation of particle among themselves are meaningless. Therefore, meaningful wave ओम sub I equal G sub I question G sub I minus 1 G sub I minus 2 G sub I minus N sub I plus 1 बटा गया n factorial G sub I factorial बटा गया n sub I factorial into G sub I minus N sub I factorial G sub I C N sub I ओम ही सब इसमें आई बटा G sub I factorial बटा N sub I factorial G sub I minus N sub I factorial, where pi represent the multiplication of this also thermodynamic probability of the given distribution taking logarithm of both side of equation 2. We have log base e ohm is equal to summation I log base e G sub I factorial minus log base e n I factorial minus log base e question में G I minus n I factorial using Stirling formula. Log base e of x factorial is equal to x log base e x minus x. We have log base e ohm is equal to summation I G sub I log base e C sub I minus G sub I minus question में log n question में n I log base e n I minus n factorial minus question में G sub I minus n factorial n I log base e G sub I minus n sub I question में minus question में G sub I minus n sub I इक्वल टू समीकरण आई क्वेश्चन में G sub I log base e G sub I minus n sub I log base e n I माइनस क्वेश्चन में G sub I minus n sub I क्वेश्चन में log base e क्वेश्चन में G sub I minus n sub I 4 since G sub I is constant differentiating we get d log of base e ohm इक्वल टू समीकरण आई क्वेश्चन में माइनस d n sub I log base e n sub I minus n sub I 1 बटा n sub I d n sub I माइनस क्वेश्चन में माइनस d sub I क्वेश्चन में log base e क्वेश्चन में G sub I minus n sub I माइनस क्वेश्चन में G sub I minus n sub I into 1 बटा G sub I minus n sub I क्वेश्चन में d माइनस d n sub I इक्वल टू समीकरण आई क्वेश्चन में माइनस d n sub I log base e n sub I minus d n sub I प्लस log base e क्वेश्चन में G sub I minus n sub I d n sub I प्लस d n sub I इक्वल टू समीकरण आई क्वेश्चन में माइनस log base e n sub I प्लस log base e क्वेश्चन में G sub I minus n sub I d n I d ऑफ log base e ओम इक्वल टू समीकरण आई माइनस log base e क्वेश्चन में n sub I बटा G sub I माइनस n sub I d n sub I most probable distribution for the most probable distribution d ohm equal to 0 and d of log base e ohm equal to 0. Putting the value of equation 5 समीकरण सब इसमें आई माइनस log base e क्वेश्चन में n सब इसमें आई बटा G सब इसमें आई माइनस n सब इसमें आई क्वेश्चन 1 G n सब इसमें आई इक्वल टू 0. The additional condition of imposed on the system are पहला the total number of particle of the system is constant समीकरण आई n सब इसमें आई इक्वल टू n constant समीकरण आई d n सब इसमें आई इक्वल टू 0. दूसरा the total number of system is constant समीकरण आई एप्सिलॉन सब इसमें आई n सब इसमें आई इक्वल टू e इक्वल टू constant समीकरण आई समीकरण एप्सिलॉन सब इसमें आई d n सब इसमें आई इक्वल टू 0. The equation 6 7 and 8 are independent of each other but must be satisfied simultaneously by the system. To find the most probable distribution, multiply equation 7 by log base e a and equation 8 by b minus beta and to the equation 6 where a and b are constant. Thus summation I क्वेश्चन में माइनस log base e क्वेश्चन 1 n सब इसमें आई बटा G सब इसमें आई माइनस n सब इसमें आई माइनस log base e a माइनस बीटा साइन सब इसमें आई क्वेश्चन 1 d n I इक्वल टू 0 since d n सब इसमें आई are the variable quantities and are not necessarily 0 in order that equation 9 may be satisfied. The coefficient of each d n सब इसमें आई should be separately 0 माइनस log base e क्वेश्चन में n सब इसमें आई बटा G सब इसमें आई माइनस n सब इसमें आई माइनस log base e a माइनस बीटा सब इसमें आई इक्वल 0 log base e क्वेश्चन में G सब इसमें आई माइनस n सब इसमें बटा a n सब इसमें आई इक्वल बीटा एप्सिलॉन सब इसमें आई G सब इसमें आई माइनस n सब इसमें बटा a n सब इसमें आई इक्वल e कहते हैं बीटा एप्सिलॉन आई G I बटा के n I माइनस 1 इक्वल टू a e कहते हैं बीटा एप्सिलॉन आई G I बटा के n I इक्वल टू a e कहते हैं बीटा एप्सिलॉन आई प्लस 1 n I इक्वल टू G I बटा के a e कहते हैं बीटा I प्लस 1 इक्वेशन नंबर 11. दिस इज द फर्मी-डिराक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लॉ. Fermions follow this law. If equation 11 we write a equal to e कहते alpha where alpha is the another constant, then n सब इसमें equal to G सब इसमें आई बटा e कहते alpha बीटा सब इसमें आई plus 1. The Fermi-Dirac distribution law is sometimes used in the form of in many applications. If the energy distribution in the system is quasi-continuous, then the number of the cells in the energy interval epsilon to epsilon plus d epsilon is written as g of epsilon d epsilon, where g of epsilon is the density of the static states. Then the formula 11 of for FD distribution lies space as n of epsilon d epsilon is equal to g of epsilon d epsilon बटा के a कहते बीटा epsilon plus 1 when a is the deduction from boundary condition, and it can be proved that beta is equal to 1 बटा के kt, where k is the Boltzmann constant and t is the absolute temperature of the system. Thus n epsilon d epsilon is equal to g of epsilon d epsilon बटा के a कहते epsilon बटा के kt plus 1 इक्वेशन नंबर 14. Example 5 indistinguishable particles are distributed with equal probability in those cells where when there can be only particle in the cell solution. Clearly the particle of FD distribution law, therefore the number of arrangement ohm sufficient I is equal to g sufficient I factorial बटा n sufficient I factorial क्वेश्चन में g sufficient I minus n sufficient I factorial given n sufficient I is equal to 5 g sufficient I is equal to 10 ohm sufficient I is equal to 10 factorial बटा के 5 factorial क्वेश्चन में 10 minus 5 factorial is equal to 10 factorial बटा के 5 factorial into 5 factorial is equal to 252. Deduction: the number of arrangement of distribution 8 fermions in the 10 cell solution ohm sufficient I is equal to g sufficient I factorial बटा के n sufficient I factorial क्वेश्चन में into g sufficient I minus n sufficient I factorial given n sufficient I is equal to 8 g sufficient I is equal to 10 ohm sufficient I is equal to 10 factorial बटा के 8 factorial into 10 minus 8 factorial is equal to 10 factorial बटा के 8 factorial into 2 factorial इसको 45. Example 6, the fermions are distributed into parts of box. The first parts contains 4 cells while the other parts contains 8 cells. All cells are equal size. Determine the number of micro states in micro states 2,3 and 3,2 solution. The number of micro states corresponding the ith micro state according to FD distribution ohm sufficient I is equal to pi I is equal to 1 to k g sufficient I factorial बटा n sufficient I factorial into g sufficient I minus n sufficient I factorial, where h equal to 2 w is equal to n comma n1 comma n2 is equal to g sufficient I factorial बटा n sufficient I factorial into g sufficient I minus n sufficient I factorial g2 factorial बटा n2 factorial into g2 minus n2 factorial. Are the distribution 2,3 n1 is equal to 2 n2 is equal to 3 g sufficient I is equal to 6 g2 is equal to 8 ohm 2,3 is equal to 6 factorial बटा 2 factorial into 6 minus 2 factorial गुणे 8 factorial बटा 3 factorial into 8 minus 3 factorial into is equal to 6 factorial बटा 2 factorial into 4 factorial is equal गुणे 8 factorial बटा के 3 factorial into 5 factorial is equal to 6 गुणे 5 बटा 3 2 गुणे 1 गुणे 8 गुणे 7 गुणे 6 बटा 3 गुणे 2 गुणे 1 is equal to 840. Further distribution 3,2 n1 is equal to 3 n2 is equal to 2 g1 is equal to 6 g2 is equal to 8 ओम क्वेश्चन में 3,2 is equal to 6 फैक्टोरियल बटा 3 फैक्टोरियल क्वेश्चन में 6 माइनस 3 फैक्टोरियल गुणे 8 फैक्टोरियल 2 फैक्टोरियल गुणे क्वेश्चन में 8 माइनस 2 फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू 6 फैक्टोरियल बटा 3 फैक्टोरियल 3 फैक्टोरियल गुणे 8 फैक्टोरियल बटा 2 फैक्टोरियल 6 फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू 8 फैक्टोरियल बटा 3 फैक्टोरियल 3 फैक्टोरियल को 2 फैक्टोरियल को 560. Limit translation of quantum distribution to the Maxwell-Boltzmann's distribution. Limit transition of quantum distribution of Maxwell-Boltzmann's distribution. The three statistics are Maxwell-Boltzmann, MD, Bose-Einstein, Bose and Fermi-Dirac, FD, help in studying the distribution of particles in various energy states in the system. In the most probable state of the MB statistics MB static is also called the classical statistics because it considers energy of momentum as continuous variable and help in explaining the micro property of ordinary gases. On the other hand, Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac statistics are quantum statistics as they follow the law of quantum mechanics. It is interesting to note that in the limit transition, the quantum statistics produce the same result as the classical statistics. The most probable distribution function is the three statistics MB statistics f of epsilon equal to n I बटा g I equal to 1 बटा e के खाते अल्फा प्लस बीटा I. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 BE statistics f of epsilon equal to n I बटा g I equal to 1 बटा e खाते अल्फा प्लस bi minus 1. इक्वेशन नंबर 2 FD statistics f of epsilon equal to n I बटा g I equal to 1 बटा e खाते अल्फा प्लस bi b epsilon I plus 1. 3 where symbol have their usual meanings. If the number of the energy state gi available in a quantum state in state of epsilon sub I is much larger than the number of particles n sub I available in the states gi sub I is greater than n sub I. In the case the value of exponential terms is the numerator of equation 2 and 3 will be very large comparison to unity 1 can be neglected in comparison to it. That case both Einstein and Fermi-Dirac distribution can be written as both Einstein को limit g सब इसमें i is greater than n सब इसमें i 1 बटा के इस खाते अल्फा प्लस बीटा सब इसमें i माइनस 1 टाइम्स टू 1 बटा के खाते अल्फा प्लस बीटा सब इसमें एफ डी स्टैटिक्स लिमिट जी सब इसमें i ग्रेटर देन n सब इसमें i 1 बटा के खाते अल्फा प्लस बीटा सब इसमें i प्लस 1 टाइम्स टू 1 बटा के खाते अल्फा प्लस बीटा सब इसमें i which is the expression of MB distribution. Thus the conclude that if in an energy states the number of some level g sub I is the much larger than the number of particles n sub I in the state, then both Einstein and FD quantum statistics tends to the MB statistics. In the case of n accuracy index of the state is very n sub I but g sub I is less than 1, the distribution becomes identical. The condition of mate is the normal state of the gases when their pressure is too large and the temperature is not small. Therefore the under normal condition the classical MB statistics is able to explain the behavior gases. The classical statistics fails miserably to explain the behavior of the electron gases in matter. The energy distribution in black body radiation behavior of the liquid helium to explain these phenomena we need quantum statistics figure 5 so that the variation of accretion index f of c is equal to n sub I beta g sub I with the energy of at various temperature for 3 statics in the classical or Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution and the in temperature of accretion index of f of epsilon falls exponential with the increase in the energy figure 5a. In the both Einstein statistics for epsilon sub I is greater than kT low temperature the distribution functions show the same behavior as the classical mechanics, but for epsilon sub I is less than kT the value of the accretion index of larger energy becomes quite large. See figure 5b. This Fermi-Dirac distribution is entirely different from the above two distribution. This is due to the special distribution of particle in the cell. In the FD statistics, the value of accretion index of epsilon is never greater than unity. This is due to the fact that no energy state can occupy on that one particle. Pauli exclusion principle is obeyed. The value of f of epsilon remains fixed at 1 to a temperature, indicating that this state are completely filled. There is a critical value of energy E of car Fermi energy about which the value of occurrence index f of epsilon falls rapidly. At this value of occurrence a value 1.2, then at higher value of epsilon falls rapidly. Quantum comparison with the three states MB statistics, both Einstein FD statistics. MB में in these statistics the particle are unlike dissimilar distinguishable. both statistics में B statistics में in the statistics the particle are like similar and indistinguishable. FD में in the statistics the particle are like similar and indistinguishable. MB में दूसरा the particle can be any spin. both में the particle have zero integral spin of unit of h cut. FD statistics में the particle have half and inner spin in the unit h cut. MB में in this statistics we can choose the volume of the cell arbitrarily. Therefore in the given volume of the phase space the number of cells is not fixed. both में in the statistics the volume of the phase cell cannot be chosen arbitrarily. The minimum volume of phase cell is HQ, where H is the Planck constant. The number of phase cell is given volume, phase space is fixed. FD में in this statistics the minimum volume of phase cell is HQ. It cannot be chosen arbitrarily. Therefore the number of the cell is given, phase space is fixed. चौथा में there is MB में there is no restriction on the number of particles in a phase cell. Any number of particles can be occupied phase space cell. B में in this statistics also there is no restriction on the number of particles in the cell. Any number of particles can be occupied phase cell. FD में in the statistics there is a restriction of the number of particles in cell. Since the particle obey Pauli exclusion principle, there can be only one particle in its phase cell. पांचवा में MB में In this static, a mutual transfer of particle form one cells, another produce a new microstate because the particle are distinguishable. BE since the particle are identical, a mutual transfer of particle from one cells to another does not produce a new microstate. FD में since the particle are distinguishable, a mutual transfer of particle from one cell to another does not produce a microstate. MB में छठवां इन द स्टैटिक दे आर थर्मोडायनेमिकली प्रोबेबिलिटी गिवन बाय ओम इक्वल टू पाई सफिक्स में आई जी सफिक्स में आई कहते हैं सफिक्स में बटा एन सफिक्स में आई फैक्टोरियल इन द स्टैटिक द थर्मोडायनेमिकल बी इन द स्टैटिक द थर्मोडायनेमिकल डायनेमिकल प्रोबेबिलिटी इज गिवन बाय ओम इक्वल टू पाई सफिक्स में आई एन सफिक्स में आई प्लस जी सफिक्स में आई माइनस 1 फैक्टोरियल बटा एन सफिक्स में आई फैक्टोरियल क्वेश्चन में जी सफिक्स में आई माइनस 1 फैक्टोरियल इन एफडी में द इन दिस स्टैटिक द थर्मोडायनेमिक प्रोबेबिलिटी इज गिवन बाय ओम इक्वल टू पाई सफिक्स में आई जी सफिक्स में आई फैक्टोरियल बटा एन सफिक्स में आई फैक्टोरियल टू क्वेश्चन में जी सफिक्स में आई माइनस एन सफिक्स में आई फैक्टोरियल सातवां इन द एमबी स्टैटिक द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन इज गिवन बाय एफ ऑफ साइलेंस इक्वल टू एन सफिक्स में आई बटा जी सफिक्स में आई इक्वल टू ए 1 बटा के ए कहते हैं बीटा सफिक्स में आई बी में इन द बोस आइंस्टीन distribution function is given by f of epsilon equal to n sub में बटा जी sub equal to 1 बटा ए कहते हैं बीटा sub में माइनस 1 fd static में इन fd static the distribution function is given by f of epsilon equal to n sub में बटा जी sub equal to 1 बटा के e कहते हैं बीटा sub में प्लस 1 energy distribution is black body radiation Planck radiation formula as the application of the Bose-Einstein statics we now deduct Planck's formula of the distribution of energy black body radiation. Photon gas, if the walls of isothermal enclosure are maintained at the temperature T, the radiation is filled cavity with correspond to black body radiation at the temperature. The atoms or molecules present in the wall of enclosure continuously absorb the radiation present in it, and at the same time they also radiate energy. The equilibrium state, the rate of absorption of radiation energy per unit area is equal to the rate of emission radiation from unit area. According to the classical theory, the speed of frequency in this radiation extend continuously from 0 to infinity, but according to the quantum theory, the emission and absorption of radiation is not continuous. It is in the form of small packets of energy is called photon. Thus the radiation constant of photon for a given frequency v. The energy of a photon in hv is the moment in hv bata c. Here h is Planck constant and c is the speed of light. The photons moves in the possible direction with the speed of light. Thus in the closed cavity the radiation photons have only discrete value. The photon energy are quantities inside the cavity of the photon behave like the molecules of a perfect gas. In aggregation of photon inside a cavity is called photon gas. The distribution of amongst the photon is according to the law of statics. The spin quantum number of the photon is 0 or unity of these. Similarly of indivisible particle therefore they follow the Bose-Einstein static in Y photon or boson or Bose particle. The importance property of photon gas, पहला rest of mass of 0 photons 0, दूसरा the frequency of v, the energy of photon in hv and the momentum of hv बटा c, तीसरा the photon moves with the speed of light c, चौथा the photons are the particle with spin number 0, the spin exists clockwise and counter clockwise, the circular polarization, पांचवा the particle are all alike similar to indivisible and obey Bose-Einstein. There is no reduction on the number of particles in cell or energy state. The total amount of the radiation energy is cavity remains constant if a photon frequency of be absorbed by the walls. The photons of frequency v1, v2 and are emitted by them, such as hv equal to hv1 plus hv2 plus distribution of photon. In the cavity of photons are continuously generated and annihilated. Therefore, while deducing their distribution in the various energy state, we must keep into mind the fact that the number of cavity is no more constant for photon gas. Summation I and I is not equal to constant. Summation I d I and I is not equal to 1, 0, 1. In this respect to behavior of photon gas is different from that an ideal gas of which number of particles in the enclosure remains constant, but the total number energy of the photon gas remains constant. Summation I epsilon summation I G n summation I equal to 0. समीकरण में 2. We know that the system wave Bose-Einstein the condition of the thermodynamic probability of the maximum in equation now section d log base e ohm is equal to summation I log base e question में n summation I plus g summation I बटा n summation I d n summation I is equal to 0. 3 multiplying question 2 by beta subtracting from the equation 3 we get summation I log base e n summation I plus g summation I बटा n summation I minus beta epsilon summation I question 1 d n summation I is equal to 0. समीकरण नंबर 4 because the fact that the value of the n summation I are independent of each other and not necessarily 0 in order to that equation 4 may be satisfied in the necessary that the coefficient of each the n summation I should be individual 0 log base e question में n summation I plus g summation I बटा के n summation I minus beta epsilon summation I equal to 0 log base e question में n summation I plus g summation I बटा के n summation I equal to beta epsilon summation I 1 plus g summation I बटा के n summation I equal to e घाते minus beta e घाते beta epsilon summation I n summation I g बटा के e घाते beta summation I minus 1. समीकरण नंबर 5 the dimension of the cavity of much larger than compared to the wavelength of radiation. The energy spectrum of radiation photons may be regarded as continuous. This is because in the case of difference between the successive allowed energy value with be exceedingly small if the number of energy state available in the energy range from epsilon to d epsilon plus d epsilon be represented by g of epsilon where g of epsilon is the density of state, the number of energy state per unit intervals of energy, number of cells per unit value phase space at epsilon, then the number of photons in the energy range is obtained by replacing n suffix I by n of epsilon d n and g suffix I by g of epsilon d epsilon. In equation 5 we get n of epsilon d n is equal to g of epsilon d epsilon बटा a e घाते beta epsilon minus 1. समीकरण नंबर 6 since the photon energy is given by epsilon is equal to hv, therefore the number of photons in frequency range for v2 v plus db will be n of v db is equal to g of v db बटा e घाते hv बटा kt minus 1. समीकरण नंबर 7 where we have used the relation beta is equal to 1 by kt where beta is Boltzmann constant and T is absolute temperature of the cavity. Planck's law radiation frequency distribution of photon in the equation 7 to determine the value of n of v dn we shall have find the value of g of v. We know that the every allowed eigen state of the quantum mechanical system is represented by an elementary cell in the phase space. The volume of each elementary cell is h3 where h is Planck constant, the phase space constant, the physical space of volume v, the volume of cavity of momentum space, therefore the volume of momentum space is cell is v suffix p equal to h q बटा v. समीकरण नंबर 8 therefore all those photons will all free the wander anywhere inside the cavity and have their momentum in the range p to p plus dp will be situated in the spherical shell in of the inner outer radii p and p plus dp respectively in the phase space. The volume of this shell will be 4 pi p square dp, therefore the total number of eigen state available in this momentum range to p plus dp will be g of p dp is equal to 4 pi p square dp बटा h q is equal to 4 pi v p square dp बटा h q. समीकरण नंबर 9 but the photon p equal to hv बटा c. समीकरण नंबर dp equal to h बटा c dv 11 putting these value of p and dp is equation 9 from the number of eigen state in frequency range v to v plus dv p के g of v dv is equal to 4 pi v बटा h q क्वेश्चन में h v बटा c का होल स्क्वायर इनटू h बटा c dv g of v dv is equal to 4 pi v upon c q v square dv 12. Putting this value of p and dp equation now from the equation eigen state in frequency range v to v plus dv we get g of v dv is equal to 4 pi upon v 4 pi v बटा h q h v बटा c का होल स्क्वायर इनटू h बटा c dv g of v dv is equal to 4 pi v upon c q v square dv. समीकरण नंबर 12 but the photon can not to polarization clockwise and counter clockwise, therefore the actual number of allowed state in frequency range v to v plus dv will be double the number repeated by equation 12 g of v dv is equal to pi v बटा c q v square dv. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 putting the value of g of v dv in both Einstein equation साथ we get n of v dv is equal to 8 pi v बटा के cq into v square dv बटा के e घाते h v बटा के kt -1 समीकरण नंबर 14 therefore the number of photons in the frequency range from v to v plus dv per unit value of cavity will be n of v dv is equal to 8 pi बटा के cq v square dv बटा के e घाते h v बटा के kt -1 15 multiplying this number by epsilon equal to h v energy of a photon we obtain the energy density of the radiation frequency range is 2 v plus dv as u of v dv is equal to n dash v of v dv is equal to 8 pi upon cq v square dv बटा के h के घाते e घाते h v बटा के kt -1 into h v u of v dv is equal to 8 pi h बटा के cq v cube dv बटा के e घाते h v बटा के kt -1 16 this energy distribution law for black body radiation in term of frequency and the well known as Planck's law of radiation. This law cannot be expressed in term of wavelength lambda using the relation v is equal to c बटा के lambda dv is equal to c बटा के lambda square d lambda. Since the wavelength decreases with the increasing the frequency we have u suffix में lambda d lambda is equal to minus u suffix में v dv. Therefore the energy density of radiation wavelength in the range lambda to d lambda plus d lambda will be u of lambda d lambda is equal to 8 pi upon 8 pi h बटा के cq c बटा के lambda का होल की माइनस क्वेश्चन में माइनस c बटा के lambda स्क्वायर d lambda e के खाते h c बटा के lambda kt -1 u of lambda d lambda is equal to 8 pi c h बटा के lambda खाते 5 into d lambda बटा के e खाते h c बटा के lambda kt -1 17. This is the Planck radiation formula in term of wavelength. Winds of light James law Planck of radiation when law of Rayleigh Jeans law of spectrum of the black body radiation of are limiting cases Planck laws as shown in below. When law where the wavelength of radiation as well very small then e घाते h c बटा के lambda kt is greater than 1 therefore in the denominator of equation 17 we can neglected 1 in comparison to exponential term then u of lambda d lambda is equal to 8 pi h c बटा के lambda घाते 5 into d lambda बटा के e घाते h c बटा के lambda kt 18. Now let 8 pi h c is equal to a constant and h c बटा के equal to beta constant then u of lambda d lambda is equal to a बटा के lambda घाते 5 into b के घाते minus b lambda beta lambda d lambda 19. This is when distribution law not when deduction from thermodynamics consider the law of is of form u of lambda d lambda is equal to a बटा के lambda घाते 5 f of lambda t d lambda where f of lambda t is the some function of lambda t and could not be determined from theory. Here this function replaced by f of lambda t is equal to e घाते beta बटा के b बटा के lambda t. Rayleigh Jeans law in the long wavelength region when lambda is very large we can write limit lambda tends to infinity e घाते h c बटा के lambda kt similar to 1 plus h c बटा के lambda kt. Putting the value of Planck formula 17 we get u of lambda d lambda is equal to 8 pi h c बटा के lambda घाते 5 into 1 बटा के 1 plus h c बटा के lambda kt -1 d lambda u of lambda d lambda is equal to 8 pi h c बटा के lambda घाते 5 into lambda kt बटा के h c d lambda u of lambda d lambda is equal to 8 pi kt बटा के lambda घाते 4 d lambda 20. The Rayleigh Jeans law radiation when displacement law according to Planck radiation formula u of lambda d lambda is equal to 8 pi h c lambda -5 क्वेश्चन में e घाते h c बटा के lambda kt -1 के घाते इनवर्स d lambda from the wavelength lambda m at the spectrum emission is maximum can be determined by putting the first differential of u of lambda with respect to lambda equal to 0 lambda is equal to lambda m d बटा के d lambda u of lambda is equal to 0 21 8 बटा के d बटा के d lambda 8 pi h c lambda के घाते -5 क्वेश्चन में e घाते h c बटा के lambda kt -1 के घाते -1 equal to 0 8 पाई एच सी क्वेश्चन में -5 लैम्डा घाते 6 क्वेश्चन में ई घाते एच सी बटा लैम्डा के टी -1 के घाते -1 प्लस लैम्डा घाते -5 क्वेश्चन में -1 क्वेश्चन में ई घाते एच सी बटा के टी लैम्डा टी -1 के घाते -2 इंटू ई घाते एच सी बटा लैम्डा के टी क्वेश्चन में माइनस एच सी बटा लैम्डा स्क्वायर के टी इक्वल टू 0 8 पाई आर 8 पाई एच सी बटा लैम्डा घाते 5 क्वेश्चन में ई घाते एच सी बटा लैम्डा के टी -1 क्वेश्चन में -5 प्लस एच सी बटा लैम्डा के टी इंटू ई घाते एच सी बटा लैम्डा के टी बटा ई घाते एच सी बटा लैम्डा के टी -1 इक्वल टू 0 सिंस लैम्डा नॉट इक्वल टू इन्फिनिटी एच सी बटा लैम्डा के टी इंटू ई घाते एच सी बटा लैम्डा के टी बटा ई घाते एच सी बटा लैम्डा के टी -1 इक्वल टू 5 समीकरण नंबर 22 लेट एच सी बटा लैम्डा के टी इक्वल टू x ई घाते x बटा ई घाते x -1 इक्वल टू 5 23 दिस इक्वेशन कैन नॉट बी डायरेक्टली बी ऑब्टेन्ड x approximation मेथड्स द वैल्यू ऑफ यक्स इज ऑब्टेन एज 4.95510 एससी बटा के लेमडा के टी इक्वल टू 4.995 द वैल्यू ऑफ लेमडा obtained from expression should have corresponding to lambda m, which is the radiation of maximum. Therefore, replacing lambda by lambda m b radiation, we get SC बटा के lambda m k t इक्वल टू 4.995 lambda m t इक्वल टू SC बटा के 4.995 k इक्वल टू b constant 25. This is Wiens displacement law and b called Wiens displacement constant at the quantity of RHS are universal constant. Putting value their value एंड सॉल्विंग वी गेट बी इक्वल टू 80 बटा 4.995 के इक्वल टू 6.615 गुणे 10 घाते माइनस 34 गुणे 3 गुणे 10 घाते 8 बटा के 4.995 गुणे क्वेश्चन में 1.38 गुणे 10 घाते माइनस 23 एम के बी इक्वल टू 2.90 गुणे 10 घाते माइनस 3 एम के लैम्डा में टी इक्वल टू 2.9 गुणे 10 घाते माइनस 3 26 स्टेफेंस ला. In term of frequency Planck's law radiation is split u of v dv इक्वल टू 8 पाई h बटा के सी क्यू माइनस वी क्यू डी वी बटा ई घाते एच वी बटा के टी माइनस 127. दिस स्पेक्ट्रम इमिसिबली ई ऑफ वी एंड द एनर्जी ऑफ डेंसिटी एंड लैम्डा आर रिलेटेड एज ई ऑफ वी इक्वल टू सी बटा के 4 यू ऑफ वी. देयरफॉर द फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 27 वी हैव ई ऑफ वी डी वी इक्वल टू सी बटा के 4 इंटू एच 8 पाई एच बटा के सी क्यू इंटू वी क्यू डी वी बटा के ई घाते एच वी बटा के टी माइनस 128. देयर टोटल एनर्जी रेडिएटेड by the body at the wavelength is E equal to 0 to infinity E of v dv equal to 0 to infinity C बटा के 4 into H 8 पाई H बटा के C क्यू into V क्यू dv बटा के E घाते H v बटा के t माइनस 1 equal to 2 पाई H बटा के C स्क्वायर 0 to infinity V क्यू dv बटा के E घाते H v बटा के t माइनस 1 29. लेट H v बटा के t equal to x v equal to kt बटा के x चूंकि dv equal to kt बटा के h dx ई इक्वल टू 2 पाई एच बटा के सी स्क्वायर 0 टू इन्फिनिटी के टी एक्स बटा के एच का होल क्यूब इंटू के टी बटा के एच डी एक्स ई घाते एक्स माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 2 पाई के घाते 4 टी घाते 4 बटा के सी स्क्वायर एच स्क्वायर क्यू 0 टू इन्फिनिटी एक्स क्यू माइनस बटा के ई घाते एक्स माइनस 1 डी एक्स फ्रॉम द टेबल स्टैंडर्ड इंटीग्रल 0 टू इन्फिनिटी एक्स क्यू बटा के ई घाते एक्स माइनस 1 डी एक्स इक्वल टू पाई घाते 4 बटा के 15 ई इक्वल टू 2 पाई के घाते 4 टी घाते 4 बटा के सी स्क्वायर एच क्यू इंटू पाई घाते 4 बटा के 15 इक्वल टू 2 पाई घाते 5 के घाते 4 बटा के 15 सी स्क्वायर एच क्यू टी घाते 4 30. दिस इज राइट एंड एज टी इक्वल टू नीटा टी घाते 4 वेयर सिग्मा इक्वल टू 2 पाई टी कहते 5 के घाते 4 बटा के 15 सी स्क्वायर एच क्यू इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट एंड स्टीफेंस कांस्टेंट एंड मूव्स एबव रिलेशन इज स्टीफेंस ला फॉर टोटल रेडिएशन ऑफ ए ब्लैक बॉडी टेम्परेचर टी के ऑन पुटिंग वैल्यू इन यूनिवर्सल कांस्टेंट वी गेट सिग्मा इक्वल टू 2 गुणे 3.14 गुणे घाते 5 गुणे 1.38 गुणे 10 घाते माइनस 23 के घाते 4 बटा के 15 गुणे 3 गुणे 10 घाते 8 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 6.6 गुणे 10 घाते माइनस 34 के घाते क्यू इक्वल टू 5.67 गुणे 10 घाते माइनस 8 जूल प्रति मीटर स्क्वायर प्रति सेकंड स्क्वायर केल्विन क्यू और डब्ल्यू एम के घाते माइनस 2 के घाते माइनस 4. एग्जाम्पल 7 द वेवलेंथ करस्पॉन्डिंग टू मैक्सिमम डेंसिटी ऑफ ब्लैक बॉडी एट 1500 के इन 1000 नैनोमीटर इफ इन द सोलर रेडिएशन द वेवलेंथ करस्पॉन्डिंग टू मैक्सिमम एनर्जी डेंसिटी इज 550 नैनोमीटर. कैलकुलेट द टेम्परेचर एट द सन अकॉर्डिंग टू विन्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट ला लैम्डा स्पेसिफिक टी इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट लैम्डा स्पेसिफिक टी क्वेश्चन सन इक्वल टू लैम्डा स्पेसिफिक टी ब्लॉडी लैम्डा सन इक्वल टू लैम्डा स्पेसिफिक टी क्वेश्चन बॉडी लैम्डा स्पेसिफिक इक्वल टू सन क्वेश्चन सन गिवन फॉर बॉडी लैम्डा स्पेसिफिक इक्वल टू 2000 नैनोमीटर टी इक्वल टू 1500 के फॉर द सन लैम्डा स्पेसिफिक इक्वल टू 550 नैनोमीटर टी स्पेसिफिक सन इक्वल टू 2000 गुणे 1500 बटा के 550 इक्वल टू 54 के. एग्जांपल आर द कैलकुलेट द वेवलेंथ करस्पॉन्डिंग टू मैक्सिमम एनर्जी डेंसिटी ऑफ द रेडिएशन फॉर ए ब्लैक बॉडी एट 100 के टेम्परेचर गिवन सी इक्वल टू 3 गुणे 10 घाते 8 मीटर प्रति सेकंड के इक्वल टू 1.38 गुणे 10 घाते माइनस 23 जूल प्रति केल्विन एच इक्वल टू 6.6 गुणे 10 घाते माइनस 34 जूल प्रति सेकंड. सोल्यूशन अकॉर्डिंग टू द विन्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट ला लैम्डा स्पेसिफिक टी इक्वल टू 80 बटा 4.956 के लैम्डा स्पेसिफिक 80 बटा 4.965 के टी गिवन एच इक्वल टू 6.6 गुणे 10 घाते माइनस 34 जूल सेकंड के इक्वल टू 1.38 गुणे 10 घाते माइनस 23 जूल प्रति केल्विन सी इक्वल टू 3 × 10⁸ मीटर प्रति सेकंड, टी इक्वल टू 1000 के, लैम्डा से उसमें इक्वल टू 3 × 10⁸ × 6.6 × 10⁻⁴ आके 4.965 × 3.38 × 10⁻23 × 1000 इक्वल टू 2.890 × 10⁻6 m 28,900 एंगस्ट्रॉम। एग्जाम्पल 9, कैलकुलेट द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द मैक्सिमम एनर्जी डेंसिटी ऑफ रेडिएशन ऑफ फॉर ए ब्लैक बॉडी एट 2000 के टेम्परेचर। सॉल्यूशन अकॉर्डिंग टू विंस डिस्प्लेसमेंट लॉ, लैम्डा से उसमें टी इक्वल टू ch बटा के 4.965 के, भी सब इसमें इक्वल टू सी बटा के लैम्डा से उसमें इक्वल टू 4.965 के, टी बटा के एच गिवन के इक्वल टू 1.38 × 10⁻23 जूल प्रति केल्विन, एच इक्वल टू 6.6 × 10⁻34 जूल प्रति जूल सेकंड, टी इक्वल टू 2000 के, लैम्डा से उसमें इक्वल टू 4.965 × 1.38 × 10⁻23 × 2000 बटा के 6.6 × 10⁻34 इक्वल टू 2.076 × 10⁻14 हर्ट्ज। Example, when constant in semi K, calculate the temperature at which the body will appear red and blue. The wavelength corresponding to maximum emission of these color are 7500 एंगस्ट्रॉम एंड 5000 एंगस्ट्रॉम रिस्पेक्टिव टू सॉल्यूशन अकॉर्डिंग टू विंस डिस्प्लेसमेंट लॉ, इफ लैम्डा इज द वेवलेंथ corresponding to maximum emission of radiation at t के temperature, then lambda t इक्वल टू b इक्वल टू 10.3, t इक्वल टू 0.3 बटा लैम्डा cm के, इफ बॉडी अपीयर्स रेड लैम्डा इक्वल टू 7500 के एंगस्ट्रॉम एंड 7500 × 10⁻60 cm, t इक्वल टू 0.3 बटा 7500 × 10⁻60 इक्वल टू 4000 के, इफ बॉडी अपीयर ब्लू लैम्डा इक्वल टू 5000 एंगस्ट्रॉम इक्वल टू 5000 × 10⁻60 cm, t इक्वल टू 0.3 बटा 5000 × 10⁻60 इक्वल टू 6000 के। बोस-आइंस्टीन गैस, the Bose-Einstein statistics is not applicable to the ordinary gas. Their behavior can be easily and satisfactorily explained by the Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics. The molecules of ordinary gas is indivisible, but the gas is which particle is indivisible at spin quantum number is 0 or unity do not obey memory. They are called the Bose-Einstein gases and their particles are called boson. The behavior of such gases can be explained with the help of Bose-Einstein statistics. Consider a perfect Bose-Einstein gas filled in a container of volume V. Let there be one particle in gas which are disturbed among various energy of epsilon 1, epsilon 2, epsilon 3, such as these are n1 particle and energy state epsilon 1, n2 particle and the state n2, n3 particle in the state epsilon 3 etc. Since the gas of assumption perfect, there will be no mutual interaction between in molecules and the total energy of the gas will be in the form of kinetic energy in molecules. If the degeneracy of ith energy level is according to Bose-Einstein distribution law of equation 15 of 8 second, the number of particles in the level would be alpha plus beta minus 1 solution number 1, where beta equal to 1 by kt, a equal to minus alpha n equal to 1 by a minus beta epsilon minus 1 solution number 2. Since the minimum value the number of particles is energy level is 0 and I is greater than 0, we have alpha beta plus beta beta epsilon equal to 1 upon a beta epsilon I is greater than or equal to 1. This if the energy of lowest level is assumed 0, then alpha is equal to 1 by a is greater than or equal to 1, 0 is less than a is less than 1. To determine value a or alpha, we can factor the total number of particles in the system in n is equal to epsilon I, n I equal to epsilon I g I बटा के alpha plus beta I minus 1 is equal to epsilon I g I बटा के 1 बटा के a beta I minus 1. If the difference between the energy state is exactly small, g I can be replaced by g of epsilon, the density of state, and the number of particles in the energy of range from epsilon to d epsilon plus d epsilon is given by d n epsilon is equal to g of epsilon d epsilon बटा के alpha plus beta epsilon minus 1. Solution number 3, we know that the number of phases the momentum of range to p2 p plus dp is given by sin equation 9 second 12.2 g of p dp is equal to 4 pi v बटा hq p square dp. समीकरण नंबर 4, epsilon is equal to p square बटा 2m, p is equal to under root में 2m epsilon, dp is equal to under root में 2m 1/2 e minus 1/2 और d epsilon is equal to under root में m बटा के 2 epsilon d epsilon. Therefore from equation 4 we have g of epsilon d epsilon is equal to 4 pi m v बटा के hq into 2 under root में 2m epsilon d epsilon. Equation 5, hence the number of particle energy range epsilon epsilon to d plus epsilon plus d epsilon plus d epsilon will be polar form equation d n epsilon 4 pi m v बटा h q into अंडर रूट में 2 m epsilon बटा e घाते अल्फा प्लस बीटा माइनस 1 d epsilon 6 बीटा epsilon इक्वल 1 by kt epsilon इक्वल टू x dx इक्वल 1 by kt d epsilon देन पर इक्वेशन 6 we assume d n epsilon इक्वल 4 pi m v बटा h q अंडर रूट में 2 m k t x into k t dx बटा e घाते अल्फा प्लस x माइनस 1 डी ऑफ एन इक्वल टू वी अपन एच क्यू क्वेश्चन में 2 पाई एम के टी के खाते 3/2 इंटू 2 बटा के अंडर रूट में पाई इंटू अंडर रूट में एक्स बटा के अंडर रूट में एक्स डी एक्स बटा के खाते अल्फा प्लस एक्स माइनस 1 सिंस द एनर्जी लेवल ऑफ क्वासी कंटिन्यूअस ऑफ द टोटल पार्टिकल वी हैव राइट एन इक्वल डी समाकलन डी एन एप्सिलॉन इक्वल टू वी अपन एच क्यू 2 पाई एम के टी खाते 3/2 इंटू 2 बटा के अंडर रूट में पाई इंटू 0 टू इन्फिनिटी अंडर रूट में एक्स डी एक्स बटा के खाते अल्फा प्लस एक्स माइनस 1 8 लेट 2 बटा के अंडर रूट में एप्सिलॉन 0 टू इन्फिनिटी अंडर रूट में एक्स डीएक्स बटा के खाते अल्फा प्लस एक्स माइनस 1 एफ अपन अल्फा एन इक्वल टू वी अपन एच क्यू क्वेश्चन में 2 पाई के टी खाते 3/2 एफ1 अल्फा 10 इन द सिमिलर वेव द टोटल नंबर ऑफ सिस्टम इन गिवन बाय ई इक्वल टू समाकलन एप्सिलॉन या एप्सिलॉन इक्वल टू ई वी बटा के एच क्यू क्वेश्चन में 2 एम पाई एम के टी खाते 3/2 के टी 2 बटा के अंडर रूट में पाई 0 टू इन्फिनिटी खाते 3/2 बटा ई खाते अल्फा प्लस एक्स माइनस 1 डीएक्स इक्वल टू 3/2 वी बटा के एच क्यू क्वेश्चन में 2 पाई एम के टी खाते 3/2 एच के टी एफ टू डी अल्फा 11 एफ टू अल्फा इक्वल टू 4/3 अंडर रूट में पाई 0 टू इन्फिनिटी एक्स खाते 3/2 बटा के ई खाते अल्फा प्लस एक्स माइनस 1 डीएक्स फॉर a is less than 1 the integral function f1 alpha plus f2 alpha can be expressed in the series of f1 alpha equal to 2 बटा अंडर रूट में पाई 0 टू इन्फिनिटी एक्स खाते 1/2 dx बटा ई खाते अल्फा प्लस एक्स माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 2 बटा अंडर रूट में पाई 0 टू इन्फिनिटी एक्स खाते 1/2 dx बटा के 1 बटा के ए ई खाते एक्स माइनस 1 इक्वल टू ए प्लस ए स्क्वायर बटा के 2 खाते 3/2 प्लस ए क्यू बटा 2 3 खाते 2/2 बटा इक्वल टू आर बराबर 1 टू इन्फिनिटी ए खाते आर बटा के आर खाते 3/2 नंबर 13 f2 अल्फा इक्वल टू 4/3 अंडर रूट में 2 0 टू इन्फिनिटी एक्स खाते 3/2 dx बटा के ई खाते अल्फा प्लस एक्स माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 4/3 अंडर रूट 2 0 टू इन्फिनिटी एक्स खाते 3/2 बटा के 1 ए ई खाते एक्स माइनस 1 डीएक्स इक्वल टू ए प्लस ए स्क्वायर बटा के 2 घाटे 5/2 प्लस ए क्यू बटा के 3 घाटे 5/2 प्लस डाट इक्वल टू आर बराबर 1 टू इन्फिनिटी ए खाते आर बटा के आर खाते 5/2 सेक्शन में 14 10 द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल एंड टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ सिस्टम आर गिवन रिस्पेक्टिवली बाई एन इक्वल टू वी बटा के एच क्यू 2 पाई एम के टी खाते 3/2 आर बराबर 1 टू इन्फिनिटी ए खाते आर बटा के आर खाते 3/2 15 ई खाते 3 इक्वल टू 3 वी बटा के 2 एच क्यू क्वेश्चन में 2 पाई एम के टी के खाते 3/2 एच के टी आर बराबर 1 टू इन्फिनिटी ए खाते आर खाते 5/2 16 10 ई बटा के एन इक्वल टू 3/2 के टी आर बराबर 1 टू इन्फिनिटी ए खाते आर बटा के आर खाते 3/2 बटा के आर बराबर 1 टू इन्फिनिटी ए खाते आर बटा के आर खाते 5/2 17 ई इक्वल टू 3/2 एन के टी क्वेश्चन में 1 माइनस ए बटा के 2 खाते 5/2 माइनस ए स्क्वायर बटा के 3 खाते 5/2 एप्रोक्स 18 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 18 f1 अल्फा इक्वल टू एन बटा के वी एच क्यू बटा के 2 पाई एम के टी खाते 3/2 19 observe the function f1 of y is proportional to the density of n inversely proportional to t खाते 3/2 if a is less than 1 then from equation 13 f1 of alpha इक्वल टू अप्रोक्स 20 ए इक्वल टू एन बटा वी इंटू एच क्यू बटा के 2 पाई एम के टी खाते 3/2 21 10 द वैल्यू ऑफ कांस्टेंट ए विल बी स्मॉल एंड लोअर पार्टिकल डेंसिटी इन क्लासिकल लिमिट्स एंड हायर टेम्परेचर बट द नॉर्मल कंडीशन ऑफ इक्वेशन 13 ए इक्वल टू f1 ऑफ अल्फा माइनस 2 ई खाते माइनस 3/2 f1 अल्फा प्लस डाटा अप्रोक्स 22 degeneracy and Bose-Einstein conditions in the classical limits the approx value of a given by equation 20 in the particle density is increased of the temperature of the system decreases the value of a increases and the behavior of gases start deviating from that of the ideal gas the derivation in due to the region that low temperature and high density of the particle the velocity of particles are affected by quantum statics. Under these conditions degeneracy is introduced in the gas and the parameter a becomes degeneracy parameter. The parameter a depends upon the mass of the particle m, the density of particle n bata v and the absolute temperature T of gases. Therefore the degeneracy of gas will be depends upon all the three factors. For low energy of the the maximum value of A is 1, therefore the value of alpha can be never be negative. Therefore for the Bose-Einstein gas the limit of maximum degeneracy is obtained when A is equal to 1 and alpha is equal to 0. Under this condition the value of f1 alpha will be f1 of alpha max is equal to f1 of 0 is equal to 1 plus 1/2 खाते 3/2 प्लस 1/3 खाते 3/2 प्लस 1/5 खाते 3/2 प्लस डॉट 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 इक्वल टू 2.612 एंड द मैक्सिमम पार्टिकल डेंसिटी n/v मैक्स इक्वल टू 2 पाई mkt के खाते 3/2/hq इंटू 2.612 the value of n/v can not exceed the value of therefore relation can be used to define the critical temperature n/v equal to 2 pi mkt नॉट के खाते 3/2/hq इंटू 2.612 t नॉट इक्वल टू hq स्क्वायर 2 पाई mkt इंटू क्वेश्चन में 1/2.612 n/v कहते 2/3 therefore the critical temperature is can temperature for which the solution of equation 8 and of section 13 possible at temperature T naught in degeneracy of the energy start. If we plot a graph between energy E and temperature T, it will be in types shown in figure 6. The continuous curve below the temperature T naught represented the relation between E and T for the degeneracy gas. If while the plot lines represented the behavior are non-degenerated gas for the degenerated gas, the energy naught at the temperature 0 K is called 0 points energy. For T is less than T naught, the solution of equation 7 and of the 13 is not possible. The reason being that the determining the Bose-Einstein distribution we have assumed that the energy of volume of almost continuous and in the place of summation we have used the integration, but the low temperature more than particle start accumulatively the lower energy of state and may be in a very large number of state is equal to 0 according to equation 3 from second 13 the number of particle in the range of epsilon to epsilon plus d epsilon d epsilon is equal to g of epsilon d epsilon बटा e खाते अल्फा b epsilon minus 1 4 where c the 5 c second g epsilon d epsilon is equal to 4 pi mv बटा hq under root में 2 m epsilon d epsilon 5 from the equation it appears that the lowest energy state or ground state epsilon is equal to 0 must have g of 0 is equal to 0 whereas the in actual value 1. Therefore the above relation given a wrong result. The ground where as it is almost importance in a very low temperature where however though these provided satisfactory result the energy state. Therefore equation 5 must have solved separately for the ground states. For the ground state epsilon is equal to 0 and g of 0 is equal to 1. Therefore the number of particle in the state is n suffix में i times to n 0 is equal to 1 बटा के e खाते alpha minus i. Therefore the total number of particle is disintegrated state in n is equal to n naught plus d समाकलन d epsilon is equal to n 0 4 pi mv बटा के hq 0 to infinity under root में 2 m epsilon बटा के e खाते alpha plus epsilon by kt minus 1 d epsilon is equal to n naught plus n dash 6 n dash is equal to 4 pi epsilon v बटा के hq 0 to infinity under root में 2 m k बटा के e खाते अल्फा epsilon बटा के kt minus 1 d epsilon is equal to v बटा के hq 2 pi m kt कहते हैं 3/2 f1 epsilon from equation 10 इक्वल टू n t बटा के t नॉट के खाते 3/2 f1 अल्फा बटा के f1 107 f1 of 0 इक्वल टू 2.612 since f1 alpha is less than f1 0 the value of n will be maximum alpha is equal to 0 then the maximum number of particle in the state above ground state n1 max is equal to n क्वेश्चन में t बटा t नॉट के खाते 3/2 t less than t नॉट 8 therefore the rest of particle n naught is equal to n minus n1 max is equal to n क्वेश्चन में 1 minus t बटा t naught के खाते 3/2 t1 t is less than t1 now will condense into ground state epsilon is equal to 0 the equation now it is clear that the taking Bose-Einstein gas the temperature below the critical temperature t is equal to t naught the number of the particle in the ground state epsilon is equal to 0